My name is Dr. Glenisha Nosworthy. I'm an internal medicine physician. I have a medical practice integrative medicine. It's called New Species Medical Practice, but aesthetics, there's just something about the world of aesthetics that really just drives my inner passions, and to be able to enhance people's natural features and make people feel good about themselves, bring out their inner confidence is something that I naturally love and I'm very passionate about. So when I stepped into the field of aesthetics, I didn't know where to start. I didn't know where to go. I was referred by a friend to Empire Medical Training, and I couldn't have asked for a better family, a better group of teachers, a better group of instructors to really teach me the very basics and the hands-on. So I'm extremely grateful for Empire Medical Training. I was able to start my own practice, Glow by Glenn Facial Optimization, and I really owe that to Empire, Dr. Crowley, Maritza. I'm really extremely grateful for this opportunity, and I'm just looking forward to continuing to learn and enhance my skills. So thank you so much, Empire.